Hello, in front of me I have got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you how to perform RPO Alert. Firstly, go to Tutorials and go to Run Pass Options. Enter RPO Alert. RPO Alert plays function similar to standard run plays, in that the ball will automatically be handed off if the ball isn't thrown. For passing the ball, RPO alerts can be used two ways to attack a defense: hard count and advantage throw. If the defense has the offense outnumbered on the side in which the run is going, based on the play, the quarterback has the option to throw small screen, quick slant, or bubble screen. If the hard count is favorable to the offense, the run play is the preferred choice. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.